Alright, what is going on, you guys? Today we are going to be installing some Catless downpipes on the G82, but they're they're Catless, but they're resonated. So we're gonna see how that sounds, and it's from Mastery of Art and Design, MAD. So we're gonna see how that is gonna go. I'm headed to the shop right now to get it installed, so I'll pick it up once I get there. Single mid pipe. So right there is the single mid pipe from CenCal Motorsport. If you look right there, I ran over a trash bag. Well, the smell went away, but the smell was there for like maybe 3-4 weeks. That shit got on there pretty good, man. But they're working on it right now, getting this shield off. God damn. Alright, this is the shop owner's G80 right here. It's got Project Gamma front mounts, forged carbon grille, carbon hood, fenders, car's fucking seats, race car. There's a manual, the roll cage. God damn. This is the shop, CenCal Motorsports. It's so fucking hot out today. It's hot as hell in the shop too. They're working under the car that I just drove 40 minutes in under this LA heat. Now putting it back together, downpipes are in.